In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter data in Google Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet and highlight the range of data you want to filter. This tells Google Sheets exactly which rows and columns you're focusing on. Make sure your selection includes a header row, like labels for date, name, or amount. If you want to filter the entire grid, you can quickly select everything by clicking the small square in the top left corner of the sheet. But in most cases, selecting a clean table with headers works best. Next, go to the top menu and click Data. This is where Google Sheets keeps all of its organizational tools, and filtering is one of the most useful. From that menu, choose Create a Filter. As soon as you do, you'll see small filter icons appear in each header cell of your selected range. That's your cue that filtering is active. If the icons don't appear where you expected, double-check that your header row was included in the selection. Now click any filter icon to open the filtering options for that column. You'll see choices to sort as well as filter, but we're focusing on filter controls. You can narrow by specific values using checkboxes, which is perfect when you want to show only certain categories or names. You can also use conditions to filter by rules, like text contains, number greater than, or date is before. For example, you could show only transactions over 500 or view rows where a status equals complete. Apply your choice, and the sheet instantly hides any rows that don't match. Remember, filtering doesn't delete data. It simply hides rows that don't meet your criteria. If you need to tweak what you're seeing, you can clear or adjust the filter at any time. Click the same filter icon, change the checkboxes or conditions, and click OK to refresh the view. To quickly show everything again, open the filter menu and choose Select All or clear the condition. If you want to turn off filtering altogether, return to the Data menu and toggle off. Create a filter. The little icons will disappear and all rows will be visible. A couple of quick tips as you work. Keep your header names consistent so filters are easy to understand, and be mindful when copying filtered ranges. Only visible rows will be copied. With these steps, you can focus on exactly the information you need and keep your spreadsheets clean, fast, and actionable.